killed before, and I will again, so help me.
Stillwater 911, what's your emergency?
Now the rifle. Throw it over my way. Pick it up. Now dial this number. 982-581-2538.
It's ringing.
I told you not to be calling while we're on the road.
Tell him it's Peggy.
It's Peggy.
What?
Tell him I need to speak to Jones.
She needs to speak to Jones.
Who the fuck is this?
Kurt, it's Peggy, for God's sakes. Tell Jones to call me now.
Line went dead.
Who is this?
Jones?
Tell him who you are.
My name's Frank Bennett. I'm a livestock officer.
Tell him what Peggy's doing.
Peggy's pointing a shotgun at me.
Now, ask him if he wants me to kill you.
Do you want her to kill me? He didn't say yes.
You didn't say no either?